I didn't wake up one day confident. I didn't wake up knowing exactly what to do. And I definitely didn't wake up believing I was meant for more. There was a time when my life felt on repeat. Same days, same bills, same stress, scrolling on my phone at night, watching other people live the life I secretly wanted, while telling myself, that's not realistic for me. I was tired, but not tired enough to quit everything. I was dreaming, but not brave enough to say it out loud. And the hardest part? I didn't lack motivation. I lacked direction. I didn't need another inspirational quote. I didn't need someone telling me to just work harder. I needed a path, because wanting more and knowing how to get there are two very different things. I remember thinking, what if I never figure this out? What if this is as good as it gets? What if I'm wasting years of my life just surviving? That thought sat heavy. So one day, instead of scrolling past opportunities, I paused. Instead of doubting myself, I asked a better question. What if I actually tried? Not perfectly, not fearlessly, just honestly. I stopped waiting to feel ready. I stopped comparing my chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. And I started learning skills that didn't depend on luck, connections, or going viral. Little by little, things shifted. Not overnight, not magically, but intentionally. I learned how the digital world really works. How people build income online without showing their face. How content can work for you even while you sleep. How skills, not hype, create freedom. And the most surprising part? It wasn't just my income that changed. It was my confidence, my mindset, the way I saw myself. I realized I wasn't behind. I wasn't broken. I wasn't incapable. I was just uninformed. And once you learn something new, you can never unsee it. Now, I show up differently. I think differently. I move with intention instead of fear. I don't chase motivation anymore. I build systems. I build skills. I build belief through action. And if you're listening to this thinking, this sounds like me, let me tell you something you might need to hear. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need a big following. You don't need to be loud or perfect or confident today. You just need to start. Because the version of you who took the first step is already closer to freedom than the version who didn't. And one day, you'll look back and realize that quiet decision you made changed everything. Are you ready to change? Tell me in comments.